Do you throw around your hard-earned money frivolously? Do you take your and your family members' health seriously? Do you expect to get your money's worth with quality health care? I hate to be the one to break this to you, but if we were to ask our best and brightest to come up with the most inefficient, time-consuming, costliest healthcare system imaginable, they would be hard-pressed to design a more convoluted, wasteful, and expensive system than we now have in the United States. Ours is not a healthcare system, it's a debacle. Hear me out. I could make my point in any number of ways. I could cite obesity statistics, alarming trends in chronic diseases, the ever-expanding use and abuse of medications. I could quote mortality statistics and point out that the healthcare system itself is now ranked among the top causes of death in the United States. But I can't think of a better way to make this point than through a medium you value. I'm going to illustrate how broke our system is by pointing out where the money goes. Now, this illustration is not based on detailed analysis or scientific inquiry. However, I believe that inquiry and analysis will bear out these facts. A healthcare system driven by money, by insurance dollars principally, is DOA, dead on arrival in terms of efficiency, cost consciousness, effectiveness, and all-around integrity. You know the old adage, you get what you pay for. So where does the money go? For this illustration, I'll use a monthly healthcare premium of $1,000. That amounts to an annual health insurance premium of $12,000, which may sound like a lot, but the average family healthcare plan now exceeds $16,000 a year. So I'm demonstrating an underpriced example, but you'll get the picture. So we have $1,000. $1,000. Now, because of the way this system works, we never see this. But where does the money, your money, go? For simplicity's sake, don't worry about specific dollar figures. Just realize the ratios hold. The first $100 right off the top goes to paying those extremely well compensated insurance executives. Without them, how could the entire system function? Next in line for a cut of your hard-earned cash are the politicians who design and ensure the implementation of the system. Close on the heels of the politicians, as they almost exist as one body, are the lobbyists who dole out the dollars. We must pay our dues to those financiers who shuffle money created out of thin air by the Fed to grease the hinges of all the coffers into which your paycheck is destined to flow. Of course, we can't forget the lawyers. Lawyers siphon off funds at every opportunity. We wouldn't even recognize our healthcare system without lawyers to muddle it up. Look, we've committed half your money. And you haven't even heard a whisper about care for you and your family. Priorities are in place. These priorities are there for your own good. 100 goes to corporate bureaucrats, those insurance administrators who allocate the remaining healthcare dollars. Complementing the corporate bureaucrats are legions of government bureaucrats, whose primary task is to ensure you pay and pay and pay. Okay, not much left. But of course, we must subsidize those who can't or won't pay for their own medical services. What have we got left? A couple $100, roughly 20%. We went through your $1,000 pretty fast. So here's what you get for $1,000. You get $200 worth of medical services. Thank you very much. Yes, you're quite welcome. It has taken a lot of hard work to create this system. A system that does so much good for so many. There you have it. Our American healthcare debacle. Follow the money and see if you like how it's distributed. Why is the system the way it is? I'll share the reasons with you in a subsequent video. If you'd like to hear the answers, like this video. Add your comments and share it with others. Then get them to do the same. If I hear back from you, I'll post the reasons why our healthcare system is such a debacle. I look forward to hearing from you.